In this video, I will show you how to mute incoming voice calls on Discord. So guys, there is very simple and easy method to fix and resolve this problem. Firstly, log in your Discord on browser or on application. Then click on this user settings. Now in this left side panel, scroll down and find out this notifications, and here you will see all settings for notifications. Scroll down and find out incoming ring, this one. So make it off in case it's on. So slide the setting to off position. And there are some more settings to turn off notifications like outgoing ring, user mode, user leave, user join. We can turn off notifications for any these options. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.